3, 2, 1. Welcome to 5-minute workouts on my 15-minute break. This is a series I came up with. Quick workouts for beginners. So the first round is a minute. Second round is 40 seconds times 3 each. Evens out to 5 minutes total. Follow along over here to find a variation that works for your fitness level. Yeah. Quality over quantity reps. All right. Move on to the second exercise, which is side plank. Doesn't have to take long. Everybody has time to work out. Halfway through, we switch. And it shouldn't be inaccessible to so many people. And you know what? I don't think it is accessible, or I don't think it is inaccessible to people. I think people know what to do. They just choose not to do it. Or they have trouble taking action. We're going into bear holds. If you want to up it a notch, sit out. Move over a little bit. Uh-oh, the light's turned off. Get the lights back on. There we go. All right. Keep it going. Keep it going. 10 seconds. Just find a spot. There's no equipment required. And you're getting that core work in. All right. Done with the first round. Let's do it again one more time. Here we go. Oof. 20 seconds. Let's go, light it up. Light it up. 3, 2, 1. Finish it off. Last round. Now, I know what you're thinking. Mark, how could these workouts possibly be enough for my day? They're only 5 minutes. And you'd be correct. Doing one of these a day most times isn't enough. That's why they're designed to be done 2 to 5 times per day. Oops, I forgot to switch sides. So, the idea is to start off with 1, and then you work your way up. You start off with 1 per day. In time, that'll become 2 per day, then 3, and then so on. But if you're brand new to this, start off with 1 of these per day, or even 1 of these 3 times a week. Okay, especially if you're sedentary a lot. Yes, that means that you might need it more, but you got to walk before you run. Start off with where you already are, then you build up from there. So, hope you got something out of this today. Please leave a like on the video if you enjoyed. Subscribe to MevolvE for more workouts like this one. See you guys in the next one.
Hey, thanks so much for watching, everybody. If you want to see another video that pairs well with this workout, click the video right here. See you in the next one.